Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to remove silence parts from an audio. To do that, we just need a program called Audacity. By the way, link will be down below, you can reach through there. After you install, open the program, drag and drop your pre-recorded audio. First, if you want to apply this effects, click pre-recorded audio. As you can see, we just select the audio. We just have to select the audio because otherwise we can't apply those effects. Then go to the effect, special, then select truncate silence. We get this pop-up screen. First we have to set those settings. I'm not gonna dive into those settings, but I just prefer threshold -20 decibel, duration 0.3. Lastly, this truncate 2 needs to be set 0.3 seconds. When you set this up, you can just click the apply button. As you can see, we just get rid of the silent parts from our audio. Maybe you just want to try some other settings. To do that, you just press Ctrl and Z. As you can see, we just remove the effect from our audio. Press the pre-recorded audio, go to Effect, Special, and Truncate Silence. After you set this up, you just press the apply button. That's it. Go to the file, export. You can export as MP3 or WAV or OGG, whatever you want. I just prefer MP3. You can set the location of your MP3 file. You can write a name like After Effects. By the way, you can change those settings, but I just prefer as it is. That's why I'm gonna press the save button and then OK. As you can see, we just get the audio files. When we look at their length, pre-recorded audio, it's 11 seconds. After Effects, its length is 5 seconds. And that's it. I hope this video helped to you. If it helped to you, you can subscribe to my channel and then thumbs up to the video. Take care. See you in the next video.